Alright, y'all, this is Anthony with Shining Light Fishing out here with my old buddy Doug. We're fixing to try to catch some skipjack, white bass, and go see if we can catch a 100-pound catfish. Y'all stick with us. We'll catch you later. Alright, I've got one. Doug's got the biggest one. He's gonna probably turn his loose, but we'll keep this one. And if you don't make catfish, but we don't have to. Main thing is we do have some big baits, and I got to have fresh big baits to be happy. So they're getting pretty thick in there. The second main thing is me and Doug ain't had a fish fry together in a long time, and whatever these catfish don't eat, I done said we're gonna eat them. So there he is. Yeah, they're down here. There. Man, go. We double and triple up on these jokers like this. You had a double a minute ago, didn't you? I got a double now.
Is that right?
Well, no, that one was just running with him. Nope, he's on there. No, he's just running with it. You see, I saw him twice. They'll just run with them.
That's crazy.
You ever see him do that? But yeah, I thought he was on it because he's just perfectly trailing along.
I'll test this. But I mean, get back.
Yeah. I believe if we're out just a little and throwing right where we're at, it seems like that's where we've been getting them. I need to. I sure would like to. Get some more skips. They're biting all the way down through there. We just get far enough off it, you ain't casting up in the trees no more.
Yeah.
There's one. Lord have mercy. It's crazy. That is a double. Now both of them's hooked.
Good buddy. Catch a few white bass.
There you are. That is a double. Here he comes. That's why I got that 20-pound leaders. This in here, he ate it. He ate it. I'm glad we brought that big cooler full of ice up our own truck. Well, we'd have to do like we've done so many times before, go buy a cooler.
Yeah.
That's why there's 25 at the house. Them boys is fixing to have a good time. Yeah. There he is. Are we spot locked now?
No.
I'd say right, it's be good. Hit it right there for the stay. I don't know any place better. We just keep doing this. Wow. I got one gigantic skipjack in there. I didn't get it on video, but I did take a picture, so I'll show it. I don't know how I could get this tangled so many times.
I don't know how we do it, but I can do it.
I mean, like 6 times. I mean, how's that happen? I'm just slow rolling. Look at here, look at here, look at here, look at here. No. Still yet.
I thought it was.
Nothing's gonna get eat whole. That's just a perfect live bait size. Well, doggone it. I have to get some of them biggest out there. He won't live. It's just easier to throw them in there right now. We got too many thread fin in our other cooler, but them boys on the bank, they're dragging them in. Old Doug got him another. Yeah, buddy. I believe we come off spot lock. Or maybe I'm crazy.
No, we did.
That battery may be time to change. I don't know.
It does this all the time, so they don't understand.
Well, I know a man that can fix it, whatever it is.
Is that right?
Yeah. I'll tell you his name when I remember, but he's the real deal down here in Lenore City. He's you know, certified. I mean, he got a full-blown shop, that's all he does. And he is good. I can't remember. About had his name come to mind. I got this one snagged in the back. It's wrapped up all my jigs. But anyway, yeah, buddy.
We come loose.
We come after skips. We're getting white bass,
We're getting groceries.
and we're just gonna go ahead and do what we're doing just until it gets dark, or it'll give us enough time to get out of here easy. Then we're gonna go eat real good somewhere, probably. See what it's already raining on us, so we'll see what the weather does. We may not get to use this bait till tomorrow. Nothing on that throw. I guess so. Oh, how bad is it? Not too bad yet.
Oh, yeah.
There's missed one. There's one. It's smaller. Maybe it's a skip. Nope. Actually a yellow bass this time, ain't it? Yeah, buddy. I think down on an angle a little bit. Every time I think I know what they're doing, that is a skip.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah.
And he's off at the floor. Great. All right, that's two good skips. That other one's twice that big, but that's a big one. So, yeah, you never know. I'll share my skipjack with you. but I won't share their head.
Okay.
Woo. Man, this is how we do it. Sometimes. That sounded better than it is. Yeah. All them other times that you can rest assured when we don't catch nothing, it ain't going on YouTube.
Don't tell there.
You get a false read quick on these YouTube channels because ain't no use to have a fishing video if ain't no fish in it. There's one. That could be a skip. Probably not, but we'd like for it to be. So it's a doubled up white bass. Doggone, my back one came off. So I have to. Yeah, so I got throwing these, it's just these Bass Pro Marabou air fly jigs, 20-pound braid and a 20-pound mono leader, and now you can see why. Throw straight down. See what happens. Are we floating off, Dougie? I want to run us up a little bit and out just a little where them boys on the bank have room to fish. I think we've done run them down the river without meaning to. All right, we've doubled up here and we've got a nice skip on top and a big old white bass on the bottom. We're having a blast. All right, we hooked up again. We're still hoping for another skipjack, but it's not likely. Shoo-wee. Oh, big boy. Oh, big boy. There he is. Yeah, buddy. I know there's a lot of you guys call these things sand bass, and they probably are, I don't know. We call them white bass. Doug calls them fish tacos.
That's right.
Doug done hooked up here. We about to run out of daylight. on our video. I think we fooled around, caught a bunch of fish.
I think, what's the limit?
15 apiece, so we're still good on that, I believe.
I don't know if we are or not. Well, we got some yellow bass.
We got some yellow bass, and then I don't think we've got that many. But they're swimming in our live. We'll count them and make sure, and then turn them loose. If there's anything fun, it's fishing. The only thing funner than fishing is catching.
That's right.
Believe that thing unlocked again. Maybe not. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get this one in and probably be the last one on the video for now, because it's getting where you can't hardly see. Old Doug done got him another. Look at there. That was a speed demon. It run to the boat. Well, we might make another throw. Maybe you can still see. Got check these hooks. See that hook right there? You probably can't tell, but see that hook? I ain't got time to change it, but that hook probably ain't gonna catch another fish because it's broke. But these others still got hooks on them. I got 3 with hooks on and 1 with a broke hook. One more throw. Keep in mind, as long as you have one more throw, you don't ever have to quit. Right. Alright, y'all, we're going to end this portion. We've caught enough bait and we got enough to make fish tacos, so we're happy. And we're going to go load the boat up here in a few minutes and figure out what we're going to do for the rest of the night. But sometime tonight or tomorrow we're going to catch some big catfish. So this is Anthony, Shining Light Fishing. We appreciate y'all watching, and we'll catch you on the next